Have you lost access to your Netflix account? Maybe you forgot your password, can't remember which email or phone number you used, your account was hacked, or you accidentally deleted your account or profile. Don't worry. In this video, I'll explain each recovery method in a simple, step-by-step way, so you can recover your Netflix account without any guesswork. If you still have access to the email address or phone number linked to your Netflix account, recovering your Netflix account is straightforward. Go to the Netflix sign-in page and enter your registered email or phone number and click on Continue. Enter the code sent to your email or phone number, select Profile, and you're logged into your Netflix account. In case you have forgotten your password then, go to the Netflix sign-in page and click Get Help, select Forgot Email or Mobile Number, then choose whether you want to recover your account using email or text message. Enter the email address or phone number associated with your Netflix account and select Email Me or Message Me. Netflix will either send a password reset link to your email address or a verification code to your phone. If you receive a password reset email, open it and click the Reset Password button, then enter your new password and click on the Save button. In case you receive a verification code by text message, enter the verification code and click on the Verify button. Next, create a strong password and finally click the Save button. If you've forgotten both your Netflix email address and phone number, you can still recover your account. Go to netflix.com/loginhelp and select I don't remember my email or phone. Enter the first and last name on your Netflix account, along with the debit or credit card used to pay for your Netflix subscription, then click Find Account. If Netflix finds a matching account using the information you entered, it will send a password reset email to the email address associated with that account. If you don't recognize the email address or no longer have access to it, contact Netflix customer support for further assistance. If you don't pay Netflix directly with a debit or credit card, check your payment history in apps like GPay, Paytm, or PayPal. These records can help you identify which phone number or payment method you used when setting up your Netflix subscription. Once you've identified the correct phone number, you can use it to sign in or reset your Netflix password. If your password suddenly stops working, your email address has been changed without your permission, or you notice unfamiliar profiles, devices, or viewing activity, your Netflix account may have been compromised. Start by resetting your password immediately. If you can't access your account because the hacker changed your email address or password, contact Netflix customer support as soon as possible. Avoid creating a new Netflix account until you've spoken with support, as they may still be able to help you recover your original account. Once you regain access, change your password to something strong and unique, sign out of all devices, and secure the email account linked to your Netflix account, since it could also have been compromised. Deleting a Netflix profile is different from deleting your Netflix account. If a profile has been permanently deleted, you'll need to create a new one, because Netflix generally doesn't restore deleted profiles. However, if you're not sure whether the profile was deleted or simply locked, check your account settings or contact Netflix customer support before creating a replacement profile. If you canceled your Netflix membership, recovering your account is usually easy. Simply sign in with your existing email address and restart your membership. Netflix keeps your viewing activity for up to 24 months after your account is closed, so if you reactivate your account within that period, your profiles, watch history, and recommendations may still be available. However, if you don't restart your membership within 24 months, Netflix may permanently remove your account data. Once that happens, recovering your deleted Netflix account is generally no longer possible. If your goal is simply to stop paying for Netflix, you don't need to delete your account. Instead, cancel your membership. This stops future billing while giving you a better chance of keeping your account information if you decide to return later. Deleting your Netflix account is intended for permanent removal, so only choose this option if you're certain you won't need the account again. And that's everything you need to know about recovering your Netflix account. Whether you forgot your password, lost access to your email or phone number, had your account hacked, or accidentally deleted your Netflix account, following these official Netflix recovery methods gives you the best chance of getting back into your account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Data Recovery Advisor, and turn on notifications so you never miss another recovery guide. Thanks for watching.